Hello everybody, and today we're in a different location. I'm filming in my dorm. Sitting on the floor today because I'm tired of sitting at that desk because of finals. But anyway, I am super excited to film this video because this is an unboxing, try on haul, everything in one. I've waited so long to film this video, you don't understand, because I ordered all these items. You can't even see the items. I ordered all of these items last month, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and a month later I'm just now making this video. I did cheat a little by opening one of them. I'm sorry, but the rest of them you're gonna see me open, and it's gonna be not only a surprise for you but a surprise for me because I don't remember what I bought. But without further ado, let's get onto the video. First place we got is ASOS. I have no idea how you pronounce this place. ASOS. This is my first time ordering from them. Hopefully it's not the last time. Look, it's a little bag. Isn't that cute? Anyway, I'll give them style points because of the little bag. But anyway, these peel handle. Oh, wait, I think I see how you... Ooh. This is so exciting. It's like Christmas. What is this? Okay, we got one item. We have, okay, we have another item. And then I got some jewelry things. We got this. We got this. Ooh, let's get into this thing. Okay, I saw this shirt and I was like, I have the perfect pair of pants that would go with this. So this is a Bershka. What is this? This is a Bershka. It says Young Fearless in the center. The sleeves are kind of long, so I'm concerned about that, but we'll see when we try it on how it fits. This is the shirt from ASOS. And I think it fits really nicely. This is perfect, not a return. This is the design. And then on the side you have these tie things, which I'm gonna definitely fix and tie better. So this is how it looks from the back, the side, and the front. Next thing that I got is this bucket hat. This I remember ordering. This I definitely remember putting in my cart. Ooh, this feels super soft. This is how the hat looks. This is the hat from ASOS. It looks super good when I have my hair like this, and the bucket hat sits right. I was afraid that the bucket hat was not gonna fit because I have a big head, but it fits perfectly. Super happy about that. And yeah, that's the look. Then I bought some accessories. I bought some earrings. The earrings look pretty good. I'm gonna keep these, definitely. Damn, they really pack your stuff very tightly. But yeah, I bought this because I feel like this type of jewelry would look good if you wear like an all black fit. This looks like a toy. Oh! What is this? This looks like a toy. I don't think this would fit around my neck. What the heck? But look at this. Look at this, you guys. This looks so much better online. Okay, I figured I'm gonna show the necklace now, but this necklace looks really cheap. It looks super cheap, probably because it was cheap, and so I don't think, from afar it looks okay, but I don't think this is something that I would want to wear and that I would want to keep, just because it would look better if it draped downward more. So how would I rate my items from ASOS? I would honestly, right now I'm pretty satisfied with the packaging and how it came in. Shipping did take a while. I would give it a 4 out of 5. Would shop again. Okay, next place we got from, this is from Express, and this place took forever to ship me my items, literally forever. I ordered from Express first and I got this package last. I'm gonna open this first because I know that this thing won't disappoint me. I don't think. I got this, I remember ordering. Alright, ooh, this feels soft. This feels soft. Wow. Definitely wash before wear. I have friends who worked in retail and they tell me once you work in retail and you see what goes on behind scenes, they always wash their clothes now before they wear them. And I definitely will be washing this. I think I'll definitely be keeping this. I hope this fits. It doesn't look like it'll be too short. That's what I was worried about. But yeah, this is just a regular sweater. No, the neck is not this long. It's like a mock neck type thing. Or would this be a look, this sweater with this hat? They match. Ah, wow, we love that. We love coordinating like that. All right. Yes. Okay, I'm really liking this. I love this sweater. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see the detail in this. I turned down the lighting so you guys can see, but it has like little gold patterns to it. I'm happy with the fit. It is short. I feel like I would like it to be a little bit longer, the sweater, but I'm really happy with how it's designed, like the designer, good job. Oh, and I like the neck as well. The neck is nice. And Express, my friend told me about Express because they had really soft sweaters, and she was not kidding. She was not kidding when she said that the sweaters are soft. This is so soft. This is like, ooh, this is good material. I'm not used to this kind of material. Wow. Wow, I like this. Now this next item, I have a feeling is gonna disappoint me.
Oh my God! What is that?
What is this? What did I order? This looks too big. This looks too big. Oh my God. This, okay, so far this doesn't look that bad. I have to return this immediately.
No, 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 no.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call a return. This shirt, okay, it's not as bad as I thought. It looks better in person, but I think the sizing is way off. As you can tell, it's sliding off of my shoulders. I can definitely tell it's supposed to be more fitted, and it's not even like I can just tie it and make it tighter at the bottom, because look at what's happening with the shoulders. Now, I don't know if I should keep this and exchange it for a different size, exchange it for a medium, because this is a large. Because I do think it looks cute. I want a shirt with a box neck like this. And the back I think is nice as well, although it is kind of hard to zip on your own. I couldn't get it zippered all the way. Next items we have from this store called Windsor. I feel like Windsor is actually pretty underrated. They sell a lot of cute stuff. They sell more like outerwear, clubwear, but you can find some nice pieces for every day and stuff, and like accessories from there. And I feel like they're super underrated, so check them out. This is not sponsored, by the way, but you know. I bought this. Now this is something that I already tried on. I already opened it, I already tried it on. I know how it looks. This black, simple bodycon type dress, and I really was looking for one of these simple dresses like that with the ribbed design, just because you can dress this up, you can dress this down, and what's really good about this is that it has like a double layer to it. So you have one layer and then it has this like cloth type layer on the inside, so that makes the dress not see-through, and I feel like that can be a problem with these type of dresses. Ooh, okay, you guys, look at this dress. Hello. I was tied between getting a medium or a large, but I decided to like size up and get a large because it is a bodycon dress and I still want to be able to breathe, you know? I feel like when you take your clothes right out of the package after online shopping, you just know if something's gonna fit and you just know if something's not gonna fit. And this, I was like, this is perfect. Thank God I got a large. Because the top, it doesn't really give me, the top isn't a problem actually. It fits perfectly, I would say. It does cinch kind of in, and so that's where I thought I would get the side boob, but no, it's completely fine. You're covered on everything, and also you can kind of tuck in your straps as well with this to hide them. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I took out my denim jacket to show you guys how you can dress it up and down. And this is something cute that I would just wear, like, you know, just going out to the store, or this would look cute for a little date, you know, once this panoramic thing is done. Would I purchase it in other colors? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But I think this is a super cute, how many times did I say super cute in this video? I like the dress. That's what I'm trying to say. I like the dress. I said yes to this dress. Also, I also got a hat, another accessory. Again, I don't know what I would wear this with. We'll find a place, we'll find a time, and we'll find a place where I can wear this. Although I just removed the tag from the hat, and the hat is kind of tight around my forehead. It's like almost cutting off circulation, and so I don't know if I should keep the hat. I already removed the tag, so I feel like I kind of have to keep the hat now. But it's leather, so hopefully my big head will stretch it out. But I don't know if I should. I'm not too crazy about this hat compared to the other bucket hat from ASOS, but yeah, what do you guys think of the hat? But I did purchase these a while ago, and I just never had a chance to put it on camera. But I bought these pants from Fashion Nova, and these pants, I'm gonna pair them with something that I bought in this haul. But these pants, these are cargo type. No, they're not cargo, they're khaki. Are they khaki? I don't know what kind of pants these are. I've been debating too long on whether or not I should return or keep these, because they're kind of a little bit big. But the thing is, the holidays are coming up. We already had Thanksgiving, we already have Christmas, then we have New Year's, then I have my Independence Day, and so I'm gonna be eating a lot, so I feel like I'll definitely grow into these pants. I sound like a mom or grandma. They buy you clothes that's too big, and they're like, oh, you'll just grow into it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should have returned these a while ago and got a medium instead, or do you think I should have kept the large? They're supposed to be baggy, but I feel like the bagginess in like the crotch area is a little bit too much. But in all honesty, I think it's not that bad. I think the pants fit. As you can see, they're very baggy. They have the cropped thing at the end, and they have pockets in the back. And we got this nice chain to add detail, and the chain is also detachable as well, so you can remove it if you like, or you can keep it on however you want. And so yeah, these are the pants. I just think this is a look. Personally, I wouldn't wear this with the chain, so I would remove the chain. But these things together as some white shoes, okay. And the hat, it's a look. And the earrings, ooh. So that was all of the items. Tell me which one was your favorite. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more. If y'all want me to do more hauls in the future, definitely let me know, because I am willing to swipe my card again and get declined again. No, I'm kidding about being declined, but I'm willing to, you know, do more shopping, especially from ASOS, because I think I like the items from there. And they have a pretty good selection, so let me know. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. Keep clicking back to my channel. Bye!